Alright, ladies and gentlemen, meteorologist Dean Davis and the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com. Time for a weather outlook. We're going to take a look at what's going to happen over the next few days and expand ourselves out, show you what will happen during the weekend, and further on, let's take a look first at the composite future radar. You can see we have showers coming through the area, Roanoke, and pretty dry up in the Delaware Valley for now. And looks like some precipitation will try to move in on Wednesday. We'll also see showers and a possible thunderstorm into early Thursday as we get another front trying to pop through the Delaware Valley early Thursday with a few lines of showers. We also see some thunderstorms try to pop up on the afternoon on Thursday, which would be pretty consistent with a chance of hail and an isolated tornado and wind damage. These would push to the east as a quasi-linear convective system moves in from the west. It may weaken by the time it gets here. We'll have to watch and see, but it's with a cold front. So what's going to happen is we're going to be in a wedge situation, which is why we're not going to see the potential severe weather tomorrow or any kind of early thunderstorms. You see the temperatures during the day on Wednesday stay in the 50s and the 60s. It's called a wedge. It's when the high pressure and the low pressure. The high pressure builds back in, keeps this cool air damming situation in effect here across the mountain area. There's your cold air damming, but what happens is it takes away on the day on Thursday, and what that's going to do is actually the change may actually help fuel showers and thunderstorms. As you see to the west, a lot of heat before the cold front passage, so we will see the potential for some bad thunderstorms based just on that itself. We're going to actually move further out and show you the helicity or wind energy and see what we have as a potential if we have any severe weather. I mean, this is going to show you soundings over Roanoke, basically. I'm going to pull Roanoke up because of the chance of storms. Marginally severe. Nothing too bad. Very low in the STP. No real rotation. Some winds. That's the main threat. Winds and hail. Go back out of this. That would be for the day on Thursday. Into Friday, we actually, with that line, we actually might see something a little more conductive for that. And based on I do not know what's going on with the, this is a bad sounding, obviously, especially when I show you this sounding information here in a second. This I have never seen on a potential hazard site, nor do I understand it. Barbecue? I just laugh about this because I've never seen this. I mean, look at the southeast winds go up and then turn to the southwest, but I've never heard of barbecue as a potential weather hazard. So, I don't know what that means. I really don't. Not a lot of people, I've seen this earlier and I thought it was just for the other sounding where it was located, but it's actually for this sounding too. So maybe the computer barbecued it. I don't know. Well, we moved further to the east, we got large and severe, so I don't know what the barbecue thing is. I'll have to look it up. I've never seen that before. But then we move into Sunday, which I've told you about last night with the low being close. The potential hazard type for Roanoke would be tornado, and southeast to southwest winds increase with heights. Nice hodograph. Right now 1.8 on the ship, so our STP 1.3 on the ship, so it's close to being in that range that I really like looking for. So we have to really watch this, and we'll continue to. I'm not going to tell you the precipitation type or precipitation amount. Let's see, through tomorrow morning, right around 1/10 of an inch here. It'll increase as we head towards Thursday to probably about a 1/4 to a 1/2 inch. A little further south, closer to an inch. Still in Delaware Valley, nothing through Thursday as we head on into Saturday and Sunday. We get extreme increase to the south. We're going to get a lot of rain on Sunday. So Sunday we get over an inch here, over 3 inches, possibly above in Roanoke, so that's going to be major in its own right. Flooding could be a concern Sunday into Monday, actually, here across Roanoke. So we have to watch that close. Also across Tennessee, if you don't notice that, that's pretty strong too. And then we have another heavy precipitation by next Tuesday in the future model. So a lot of rain coming this way. We'll keep an eye on all these threats and update you tomorrow. Meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.